Oh gosh, I don't remember if I know how to do this. And what is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Weekend Warbucks Office Edition. Reason being is because today we're going to be doing an unboxing, and right now I still have the construction going on in my house, and all of the contractor's tools are all over my garage. So there's no room to move in there with my truck in there. So bear with me because this is how we're going to do this today, okay? Okay. Alright, so what we're going to be doing today is, you see this nice, huge box here. This is from the wonderful people at GTechniq. Oh, if you're like into car detailing and all that, this takes like your car detailing to, like, here's everybody's level, here's like my level, but now my level is gonna be like, you can't even see it right now. That's where it's gonna be, and it's gonna be amazing. So they sent me a bunch of awesome stuff, and I can't wait to open up the box. And I am just so excited for all of this stuff because it has something that I've been wanting to test out on my car for a long time, and that's what the process, or that's what we got all this stuff for, is to do a whole bunch of product review videos. Anyways, let's quit talking. Let's start unboxing. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna have today is this. We all know what that is. All right, so next up, we are going to be having the GTechniq C4 Permanent Trim Restore. So this is one of those wonderful things that you're going to use on like your plastics, obviously your trim, hence the name Trim Restore. So it makes literally all the trim on your car look brand new again, all the plastics and stuff like that. This is going to be fantastic. I cannot wait to use this. The C4, this is the, I'm trying to remember what size bottle this is. Oh, this is the 30 milliliter bottle. So that's going to be a lot. I mean, it doesn't look like much. I mean, the bottle itself doesn't look like much, but literally that is a lot of trim restore right there. And plus, I like that it comes with your applicator pads. They look like just fluffy gauze pads, to be honest with you. And that's going to be fun to do. Oh, I can't wait. My truck's going to be so incredibly happy, and it'll look like it's worth more than the $200 that it's probably worth. All right, and then next up, all right, this is the G4 Nanotech glass polish and the G5 water repellent coating for glass. So the G4, the Nanotech glass polish, this is going to be obviously it removes all of like the crap that is on your windshield. You know, it gives it a nice clean, ultra clean surface. This way you can apply the G5. This is kind of gonna be like for layman's terms, probably like a Rain-X, only a bazillion times better. This is going to be great, especially for right now here in Pittsburgh. We are running with a very cold winter, and so far it's been pretty snowy, a lot more snowy than it was last year. So I'm looking for something to always keep my windshield looking super clear, have the ice, any kind of frost just hurry up and just be gone off my windshield, because it's a pain to have to keep scraping off your ice. So I'm hoping that this water repellent coating is going to help with that. If you have OCD like me and you always need a clean windshield, this is going to be perfect. All right, then next up, GTechniq T2 tire dressing. I like how, you know, it's from the UK when they spell tire Tyre. Can you see that? My thing isn't auto-focusing for some reason. Anyway, so this is their tire dressing, obviously. So with this, you put it on like your regular applicator pad, or however else that you want to do it. I would recommend applicator pad. Pour it on there, and then obviously put it around your entire tire. Now this is going to give you that great shine. If you wanted to be even a more deep wet shine, which I personally love, you wait like 10 minutes, put a second coating on. Probably going to be abusing this thoroughly on my tires because I freaking love it. I freaking love a high shine tire. I might be one of the only people that enjoy that, but whatever. Hate me, fight me. This really isn't one of those products that I'm going to be probably using in the winter, because obviously, like I said, with all the salt and the grime and it just snowing, this stuff will probably come off quickly. Maybe not. Maybe this would be a good thing to test on and see how well the durability of this is. Our next product today is going to be the GTechniq GWash. Now this stuff, okay, this is like their regular everyday, I guess everyday, no, I don't want to say everyday car soap because it's more than an everyday car soap. This is an insane concentrated soap. And when I say insane, look, when I tell you this, you're going to be like, no, you're lying to me, and I'm going to tell you to look it up on the website, because this GWash is, I don't know if you can even read this, can be diluted as much as 1 to 1800. You can't even see that. Oh, why is that? You see 1 to 1800. That's going to be like, boop, done. In a 5-gallon bucket of water. Insane, 1 to 1800. So, I mean, with this being the 250 milliliter bottle here, I mean, if I did like the 1800 ratio, like this is going to last me probably the rest of my life. So, just to let you know. But this is also one of the things that you can use, especially for all the coatings and stuff like that are going to be, that you can use on your car. This will make sure that, you know, obviously you're not, I don't want to say stripping the coating, but it'll be safe for your coating. So, you know, it's always good to pair a soap with any kind of ceramic coating that you're going to be putting on your paint. So, this is going to be another awesome thing. This will be work because my truck is trashed right now, and I would love to see how this will hold up to all that salt and grime that's on my paint right now. All right, now, next product up here, we have the W8 Bug Remover. Not really in the mood for this right now, and why I say that is because there's no bugs right now in the winter. This is going to be something that I'm probably not going to be able to test until summer. So hopefully this will be something that'll be easy to use. Removes bug splatter with ease, does not damage wax or coatings, which is awesome because I know there's a lot of bug cleaners out there, bug tar removers that will like just crush your wax. So that's good to know. And 100% biodegradable and pH neutral. Perfect. So the W8 probably won't be getting tested until summer, but still an awesome product to have in your arsenal. All right, now moving on to some of the big guns right now. Look at this piece right here. Oh, I love these kind of these kind of nozzles. They make me happy. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry, because they make me happy. All right, so this is going to be the C2 liquid crystal. From what I understand with this, like it's going to offer like a protection and all that stuff. I kind of want to say it's like a quick detailer. I could be completely wrong on this. It's a simple, fast application, 8 months durability, incredible, extreme repellency, long life, UV block, easy clean, nanotech with C2. You get instant effective protection from UV and dirt without the expense of dealer applied systems. Fast and easy to use. C2 is based on the same smart surface technology as its big brother C1 crystal lacquer, which is the performance coating of choice among industry professionals and OEMs. So you'll be able to dilute this, I guess, up to 1 to 2, 2 to 1. Hence the bottle, and that's still a lot of product that you can get here. I mean, this is a 500 milliliter bottle, so this will be fun to watch. I love using quick detailers, that kind of thing, especially in between waxes and stuff like that. Just like you want your car to look nice because you're going out for the night or something like that. Easy things like this make the job much more easy, and another great product that I can't wait to try. All right, and before my battery dies, because I haven't used this camera in a while, should have charged the battery before I hopped into this. Finally, oh, this is the beautifulness right here. That, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm going to try not to talk and just hurry up and get this over with. Obviously, another nozzle here. This is going to be the panel wipe. Now, with panel wipe, what this does is this gets your car surface absolutely clean from any and all waxes, polishes, stuff like that after you've already corrected your paint. This removes any of the residues left behind, so you can apply these special coatings. The GTechniq C1 right here. What this product does is after you get done correcting your car, obviously you apply this, and oh my gosh. You apply this, and this product is going to help your car become pretty scratch resistant. Now, I'm not saying like someone takes a key by your car and your car's fine, but this is going to help like when you're washing your own car, and it's going to help protect against like swirl marks and, you know, little light scratches. It's kind of like a sacrificial layer for what you know, this will do for you. This will really help out and also make your paint just look super, you know what I mean. After you get done applying this, then you apply the wonderful EXO. Oh boy, please. Oh gosh, I don't want to tear the box. Now the EXO obviously comes with some gloves here. Now the EXO with this is going to do is provide water repellency on your car. Now this EXO is going to be incredible. Rain isn't going to stand a chance on your car with this, supposedly, and that's what I'm going to test. Especially right now in the winter, this would be great for snow, any kind of slush, whatever. We're going to see how well this really works. And if you haven't learned by now, I'm going to be doing a how to keep your car clean in the winter. And all this fun stuff is going to be tested for that. Between these two products, this is what I'm really most excited about, and I can't thank you enough, GTechniq, for sending me these. I, like, amazed, like, beyond grateful that you sent this to me from the bottom of my heart that you sent that. Just absolutely thank you very much. And then finally, the wonderful thing that they sent me, because I think every detailer needs to have one of these. Look at this box right here. And if this is what I think it is, hopefully we can get this done before the camera shuts off. Because when you're dealing in the winter, you always want a nice cup of coffee to keep you warm while you're detailing in your garage or in your shop, whatever it may be. This is a nice little glass, and this is perfect, and I love it. I wonder if it's ceramic coated, so there'll never be a coffee stain in it. I would automatically assume that there will be. So that's it for that. That's going to be our complete unboxing. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today. Again, yes, I know we're in here. We're not in the garage, but soon, once everything's done, hopefully by the end of next week, I'm going to be able to hop in my own garage and start doing the detailing here. Hopefully, we're going to be able to test out all these products here within the next couple of weeks. Also, people, if you're watching this still, I just want to let you know, for you guys, when we start doing these product videos, there's going to be a coupon code for you guys where if you want to order some of this stuff, that you're going to be able to save some money. I worked that in with GTechniq. I said, hey, how about the viewers? Let's hook them up with a little bit of a discount, and they were like, cool, we can do that. That's going to be it, guys. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to hit that notification button when you subscribe, because I think that's what I'm supposed to tell you now. And yeah, let's keep it going. Let's keep it wild. Let's keep it awesome. Let's keep it clean and keep on detailing. And welcome back to Weekend Warbucks, because we got a whole bunch of stuff that we didn't make videos on. A whole lot of stuff. We'll see you next time, guys.
Damn.